What it do? Back again. Alright, I got my boy Regal back over here. Shit, we tried some shit. Motor run good. Still doing a little smoking. So we thinking that it might need some rings. So back in the lab with this one here. I already got the bottom unbuckled. Working on the top now. I have it pulled out tomorrow. Then we're gonna go back with this blue motor. Think it's been overhauled. I'm gonna clean it up. Put my little touches on it and drop this one here in. And we're gonna see the results. So, let's see how this go. I gotta take off that dual alternator bracket that I did and put all that good shit back. But yeah, back in the lab, y'all. See, we're gonna get him back on the road, see what it do. And yeah, later on I'll probably start posting a lot of my work. It's really kind of hard to post my actual work because in the midst of me working, I do a lot of back and forth, moving around, getting up, getting this back and forth. So a lot of times I be in here by myself, man. So it'd be hard for me to actually post the work that I be doing. So that's why I post like start to finish or some, well, the beginning, then I'll show y'all the end. But maybe later on down the line, I'll have me a little cameraman or something that, can sit in and film some shit while I'm turning bolts, show y'all what I actually be doing, getting my hands dirty. But, yep, I will have this motor pulled tomorrow. See what's tomorrow, Thursday. I'll probably have this motor pulled tomorrow. Do some work on the new motor, clean it up, change whatever need to be changed, go back in with it. So, give or take by this weekend, he ought to be back on the road. Yes, sir.